This video will introduce how to operate this automatic water-activated adhesive tape dispenser. First of all, our technician will teach you how to change the tape. To fill some water into the tank. These plus and minus can control the water temperature. As shown on this control panel, there are some common lengths. The minimum length is 15 centimeters. And the maximum length is 105 centimeters. The double lengths. First, press 2x and then click the number that you want and start. See? 35 centimeters by 2 times, it is 70 centimeters. Other lengths. What if I need a length which is not shown on the control panel? We can try to get them with the plus and minus. For example, $25 and 5 plus, we can get 30 centimeters. Or 35 and 5 minus, we can still get 30 centimeters. And to get 32 centimeters, we can use the 2x and 15 and the 2 plus. We can also arrange 3 different sizes in every round. We also have the auto mode, which can get you the combination continuously. When you finish the job, just click Auto again. This machine also have a 3 length. If we keep pressing on this arrow button, the machine keeps dispensing the tape until your finger is away.